Hi there, this is Shekhar. Welcome to GK Consumer, and today we are going to do the unboxing of pocket knife. As you can see, I ordered it from Flipkart. I bought it for 285 rupees. Let's check out the knife. As you can see, we got a pouch to keep the knife, which was not mentioned on the site. The quality of pouch is good, and it is really easy to carry. Let me take out the knife itself. I'm handling a camera with my other hand, so it's really hard to. Here it is. As you can see, the look wise is nice. This is a button knife, so we have a button there. The blade is also big and sharp. Yeah, it's really sharp. You need to press and hold that button to close the knife. And we also get one extra tool here, which is LED, which is also useful in dark places. Overall, I liked it and looking forward to use this in my upcoming unboxing videos. That's it for now, guys. Hit the like button if you like my video and share your thoughts in the comment section below. And please do subscribe and be the part of GK Consumer family. And if you would love to receive a notification about my new uploads, click on the bell icon next to subscribe. See ya.